Mary's Malankara High School. Hello students, I Mrs. Lata Shinde. In this video, we will learn about subject English Grammar Standard First. Our topic is singular and plural. What is this? This is a flower. How many flowers do you see in this picture? 3 flowers. So, these are flowers. Now children, can you tell me how many blue color books do you see in this picture? Only one. And how many other color books are there? 3. So children, when one thing is there, we can say this is a book. And when many books are there, we will say these are books. See here, the red color car is only one. So this is a car. And other color cars are many. So these are cars. Children, you can see on the left side there is one single chair, and on the right side you can see there are many chairs. So for one chair we will say this is a chair, and for many chairs we will say these are chairs. One girl, many girls. This is a girl. These are girls. One boy, many boys. Children, in this picture you can see a boy who has a school bag. He is only one. And the boys who are standing, they are many. So we can say this is a boy for one singular thing, and for many these are boys. Children, how many pencils do you see in this picture? Only one. And how many color pencils do you see? Many. So a pencil is one. So this is a pencil, and many, these are pencils. So children, objects which are single or one in number are called singular. For example, one dog, one apple. Singular means only one. So in this picture we can see there is only one boy, one cat, one house, one ball. So singular things are only one. Single means only one. Okay children? And plural means more than one. So in this picture, how many boys do you see? 2. How many cats do you see? 2. There are 2 balls also. And there are 2 houses. So these all things are more than one. So we will say plural. What we will say? Plural. Children, look at this picture carefully and answer the questions which I am asking. Children, how many boys do you see in this picture? You can count and tell me. There are 3 boys, Correct. How many girls do you see? There are 2 girls. How many giraffes do you see? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 giraffes. Children, can you count the number of trees in this picture? No, we can't count the number of trees because they are many. So, if the things are many, we will say plural. And if the things are single, we will say singular. Can you tell me one singular thing from this picture? Yes, a bird. Bird is a singular in this picture because it is only one. Whereas other things are more than one. Look at this picture. This is a picture of a zoo. Correct. So, in this zoo, how many lions are there? There is only one single lion in the zoo. How many bears are there? There are 2 bears. Yes or no? Can you tell me how many honeybees are there, children? There are 5 honeybees. And can you tell me how many giraffes are there, children? There are 2 giraffes. Okay. So, children, this all things which are more than one, like bear, honeybee, giraffes, so they are singular. And a bird. Can you tell me the color of the bird? Blue. It is in the blue color. So, the bird is a singular. Children, objects which are more than one or more in number are called plural objects. For example, 5 dogs, 2 apples, like this. Okay. So, let us see this table where we have written one and many. I will repeat the table. Just give attention. 1 book, many books. 1 car, many cars. 1 chair, many chairs. 1 girl, many girls. 1 boy, many boys. 1 pencil, many pencils. So children, I hope so. Now you all are understanding what is singular and what is plural. So, here is a definition of singular. A noun that stands for only one person, animal, place or thing is called singular noun. The next one is a noun that stands for more than one person, animal, place or thing are called plural noun. Children, here we have a small activity for you. Let us see this activity. Question is, circle the singular and underline the plural noun. Now children, here are some of the nouns. Now, you have to put the circle where you will see the singular noun and you have to underline the plural nouns. First one, let us see the first one. Cat. So, cat is only singular. Dress. Dress is also a singular. So, what you have to do for singular nouns? You have to put circle. So, you will circle cat, dress and you will search other singular nouns also. Okay. Let's see one example from this of plural noun. dogs, shoes. So, dogs and shoes are plural nouns. So, we will put underline for these two plural nouns. So, remaining all you have to do, children, by yourself. Let us see the homework. Your homework is, I have given you a table. You have to read the words from the bracket and write them in the correct column. First word is window. Next, chairs, wall, tables, cat, bag, shirts, balls, cars, girl. So children, I read all these words. You all also have to read these words, and whichever noun is a singular noun, you have to write in the singular column, and which nouns are plural nouns, you have to write in plural column. Okay children, I hope so you all have understood the lesson. Thank you so much.